नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Hello students, we are on the 8th part of coordinate geometry 10th standard SSC Maths 2. We are already started with the practice set 5.2 and we have finished 4 questions. Now the 5th question we are going to do. See the 5th question. 5th question is find the ratio in which point P, K, 7 divide the segment joining K 8, 9 and 1, 2, and also they have asked to find out what value of K. Okay, value of K. So what we are going to do is, if I draw a figure, this P is there, right? P के coordinate से K, 9, A के कोऑर्डिनेट से 8, 9, B के कोऑर्डिनेट से 1, 2 and they are asked the ratio and it is in which it is divided. So what you are going to do is point A is 8, 9 and B 1, 2. Let this is the solution. Let coordinate of point A be x1, y1, point B be x2, y2. So ultimately x1 is 9, y1 is x1 is 8, y1 is 9, x2 is 1, y2 is 2, and point P, K, 9. Let coordinate of point P be x, y. X, y. Point P intersect point P intersect point P divide segment AB in ratio m is to n. Okay, or here also let we can put. Then what we are going to write? Bisection formula. अब ये तो इजी है, राइट? इट इज. और यहाँ x की वैल्यू क्या है? x की वैल्यू k है और y की वैल्यू 9 है. तो ये सेक्शन फॉर्मूला है, पहले भी हमने सेक्शन फॉर्मूला कन्वर्ट किया था और जब भी हम लोग रेशियो निकाला हम लोग आइदर यू कैन यूज द वैल्यू ऑफ x और y. इसमें किसकी वैल्यू मालूम है? तो मुझे y की वैल्यू मालूम है, x की जगह पे k है, k की वैल्यू हमें निकालनी है. सो we'll use y is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Got it? So what is the value of y? Y is nothing but 7 is equal to m into y2 is 2 and n into y1 is 9 upon m plus n. So 7 in bracket m plus n is equal to 2m plus 9n. So what you got now? 7m plus 7n is equal to 2m plus 9n. So 7m minus 2n is equal to 9n minus 7n. So we are getting phi m is equal to 2n. So if I transfer n on that side, m upon n is equal to 2 upon 5 is the answer. Therefore, the ratio in which point P divide segment AB in ratio 2:5, that you are going to put in a box. Have you understood this now? Now we have to find out again value of value. Then by again, because we have to find out value of k, so by section formula, now we have to find out the value of k, right? So now we will apply the formula for x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n. Value of x is k, k is equal to, अभी हमारे पास m की वैल्यू भी है, m की वैल्यू क्या है 2, x2 की वैल्यू कितनी है, x2 की वैल्यू इज 1 प्लस 5 इंटू x1 का वैल्यू है 8 अपॉन 2 प्लस 5, तो k इज इक्वल टू 2 1s are 2, 8 5s are 40 upon 7, that is 42 upon 7. K is equal to 6 is the final answer. You got it now? So see once again. Question क्या था? Find the ratio in which what point P, K, 7 divide the segment joining A, 8, 9 and B, 1, 2. Also find out value of K. Point A, 8, 9, B, 1, 2. Let the coordinate of point A be x, 1, y1, and for point B, it is x2, y2. Now x1 is 8, y1 is 9, x2 is 1, y2 is 9, and point P, k, 9, let the coordinate of point P be x, y. तो x की वैल्यू क्या है k और y की वैल्यू क्या है 9, right now? And P divide the length, point P divide the segment in ratio m is to n. But we are having two values, x का वैल्यू k है और y का वैल्यू 9 है, तो k डाल के हमें रेशियो नहीं मिलने वाला है, but we know that it is value of, this is 7, I need to stay away. Okay, so 7. So 7 is equal to m into what? 2. n into 9 is equal to, when I cross multiply, I got the value of m is to, m upon n is equal to what? 2:5. So ratio in which point P divide the segment AB is ratio 2:5. By section formula now we have to find the value of k. तो हम लोग x की जगह पे k substitute करेंगे, we'll get value of k. I think it is very easy question, so copy down it properly by pausing the video. Find the coordinate of the point of the segment joining these points. Is it right? So, solution. Let point P in bracket x, y be midpoint of segment AB, where A is 22, 20 and B 0, 16. 0, 16. Okay, so we'll draw a figure in which point P is the midpoint. इसके coordinates हमने लिए x, y. A is 22 and 20 and B is 0, 16. So for points A 22 and 20 and B 0, 16, let coordinate of point A be x1, y1 and point B be x2, y2. Okay? Point P is a midpoint of segment AB and coordinate of point P be x, y. Is it right? Therefore, by midpoint formula, what is the midpoint formula? X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So x is equal to x1. x1 is 22. x2 is 0 upon 2. That is equal to 22 upon 2. X is equal to 11. And y is equal to y1 का वैल्यू है 20, y2 का वैल्यू है 16 upon 2, that is 32 upon 2, y is equal to 16. So we got the value of what? Therefore, what I can write then, coordinate of point P is 11, 16. But ये point P तो हमने लिया हुआ है. They are not given that at particular P ही midpoint है. Therefore, you can write then, therefore, the coordinate of midpoint of the segment joining 22, 20 and 0, 16 is 11 and 16. This you are going to put in a box. This is your answer. I think कुछ इतना दम नहीं था, कैलकुलेशन ऐसा ही था, तो कॉपी डाउन इट प्रॉपर्ली. Wait, I have made a mistake. 20 plus 16 is 36. 36 मतलब आएगा 18. यहाँ भी आएगा 18 और यहाँ भी आएगा 18. So now you can copy down because I made a mistake that it should be 18 and this should be 16. Okay? Now you copy down it properly. Now, 7th question. Find the centroid. Actually, find the centroid नहीं आएगा. Coordinate of centroid. Whose vertices, coordinate of vertices are given. These are the vertices. Coordinate of vertices. And they have asked the coordinate of what? Centroid. So तुम्हें मालूम है कि if you want to draw a figure, you can draw, okay, draw a triangle. I'll give him as A, B, C. Now, solution of first question. This is G. G is x comma y. Okay. A is minus 7 comma 6. B is 2 comma minus 2. And C is 8 comma 5. Okay. So, now the thing is, the coordinate of vertices are -7, 6, 2, -2 and 8, 5. Let A, B and C be vertices of triangle ABC respectively. Let coordinate of point A, point B and point C be coordinate of point A be x1 y1, point B be x2 y2 and point C be x3 y3. So x1 is equal to -7, y1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 2, y2 is equal to -2, x3 is equal to 8 and y3 is equal to 5. Okay, let coordinate of centroid G be x, y. Okay, then by centroid formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So x is equal to -7 plus 2 plus 8 upon 3. Therefore, x is equal to -8 plus 2 plus 8 upon 3 minus x is equal to -7 plus 3 upon 3. So x is equal to 3 upon 3, x is equal to 1. And here y is equal to y1 is 6, y2 is -2 plus 5 upon 3. Y is equal to 6 minus 2 plus 5 upon 3. Y is equal to 3 plus 6 minus 5 is 4 plus 5 upon 3. Y is equal to 9 upon 3. Y is equal to 3. Therefore, what you are going to write? Coordinate of centroid of triangle is 1, 3. That you are going to put in the box and this is your answer. I think इतना कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं था, आराम से कॉपी करना इसको समझ के खाली प्रॉपर्ली कैसे लिखना है वो देख लेना है लोगों को कपड़ा देखो. Now students, I think you can start with this question your own. Okay, यहाँ पे है 3, -5, ये है 4, 3 और C है 11, -4. सेंट्रॉइड G, उसका कोऑर्डिनेट लेंगे हम लोग x, y. The coordinate of vertices are 3 and -5, 4 and 3 and 11 and -4. Let ABC are vertices of triangle ABC. Coordinate of point A be x1 y1, coordinate of point B be x2 y2 and point C be x3 y3. What is value of x1 is 3, y1 is -5, x2 is 4, y2 is 3, x3 is 11, y3 is minus 4. Let coordinate of centroid be G. उसकी coordinates क्या लेंगे? x, y. तो we are going to use which formula? Centroid formula. Centroid formula क्या है? x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon. So x is equal to what is the value of x1? 3. y1 is, x2 is 4 and x3 is 11 upon 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 11 upon 3. X is equal to 7 plus 11 upon 3. X is equal to 18 upon 3. X is equal to 6. And if you see the y is equal to y1 का value है minus 5 plus 3 and plus minus 4 upon 3. So y is equal to minus 5 plus 3 minus 4 upon 3. Y is equal to minus 2 minus 4 upon 3. Y is equal to minus 6 upon 3. Y is equal to minus 2. So we got the value of x and y. And this is the coordinate of centroid. The coordinate of centroid of a triangle is 6, minus 2. Copy down it properly. Now, question number 3 is 4, 7, 8, 4 and 7, 11. The coordinate of vertices are 4, 7, 8, 4 and 7, 11. Let A, B, C be the vertices of triangle ABC respectively. Coordinate of point A be x1, y1, B will be x2, y2 and C will be. What is the value of x1? 4, y1 7, x2 8, y2 4, x3 is 7, y3 is 11. The coordinate of centroid GB x, y. By centroid formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. So x is equal to x1 is how much? 4. x2 is 8 and x3 is 7 upon 3. X is equal to 4 plus 8 plus 7 upon 3. X is equal to 12 plus 7 upon 3. X is equal to 19 upon 3. And y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. So y is equal to y1 is 7 plus 4 plus 11 upon 3 is equal to 7 plus 4 plus 11 upon 3. Y is equal to 11 plus 11 upon 3. Y is equal to 22 upon 3. But it cut nahi hota hai. This is your final answer. The coordinate of centroid is 19 upon 3 and 22 upon 3. Please students, I think it is again easy. Copy down it properly. If just this formula you should know properly. And how to represent it, that is also important. Copy down this. Pausing the video. Now, in 8th question, in triangle ABC, G minus 4, 7 is a centroid. Means centroid formula apply karna hai. If A is minus 14 and 19, B is 3 and 5, they ask the value of C. Coordinate of point C. I will draw a figure. Correct? A is minus 14 and minus 19. B is 3, 5 and C we don't know. But centroid G is minus 4, minus 7. Is it right? So we have to find out the coordinate of point C. Same way we are going to do. Okay. So I will start for vertices of triangle ABC, A is minus 14 and minus 19, B is 3, 5. Let coordinate of points, point A be x1, y1, point B be x2, y2, and point C be x3, y3. Now we have only x1, y1, x2, y2. So x1 is minus 14, y1 is minus 19, x2 is 3, y2 is 5, and x3 पता नहीं है, y3 का भी पता नहीं है. Okay. G is actually minus 4, 7 is centroid. Let coordinate of centroid be x, y. X will be minus 4 and y is 7. Okay. Let me then check the question once again. It is minus 4 and 7, minus 14 and 19, 3, 5. Okay. So, okay. Now, by centroid formula. What is that? X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. X का वैल्यू है हमारे पास -4. Then x1 is -14. See, please place the values in bracket will be helpful. At least negative वाले values तो bracket में डालो. 3 and x3 तो मुझे पता ही नहीं है upon 3. So -4 into 3 is equal to -14 plus 3 plus x3. 4 3s are 12 is equal to minus plus minus is 11 x3. So -12 plus 11 is equal to x3, -1 is equal to x is equal to -1. Have you understood this? X is equal to -1 and y is equal to y1 का वैल्यू है -19, y2 का वैल्यू है 5 और y3 तो पता नहीं upon 3. Therefore, y का वैल्यू पता है हमें कितना है 7. 16 बंद है 7 into 3 is equal to -19 plus 5 plus y3. So 21 is equal to plus minus minus is -14 plus y3. So we are getting answer 21 plus 14 is equal to y3 or 35 is equal to y3. Let me check the answer. I made mistake. It is -7, -7, -7, -21 become -7. So your answer is, therefore, what I can write then, the coordinate of centroid, a coordinate of point C is, this is x3 now, -1, -7 that you have to put in the box. Once again, here I made a mistake. Please take care of the signs. Otherwise, a silly mistake can completely make your answer wrong actually. Okay, so please take care. And what they are given to you, find the coordinate of C पूछा है, A दिया है, B का दिया है, C ने दिया है, G दिया हुआ है. So I have taken x1 y1, x2 y2, but x3 y3 is not there. तो G का दिया है -4 and -7 it is. So I apply the formula of centroid. Centroid का आँख बंद करके formula apply करो. You got -1 and -7. The coordinate of point C is -1 and -7. Please copy down it properly. Now, 9th question A, 3, -6, B, 2, 3 and C is -6, K are the coordinate of vertices of a triangle whose centroid is this 1, 5. Find H and K. Find H and K. H. So what I'll do, I'll draw one triangle ABC. And whose vertices are K and -6, B is 2, 3 and C is -6, K. And centroid G is 1, 5. They are asked the value of what? K and H. K and H. Actually, this H, not H. This is H. This is one's K. Vertices of triangle ABC. A is H, -6, B 2, 3 and C is -6, K. Let co-ordinate of point A B x1 y1, point B x2 y2 and point C B x3 y3. So x1 y x2 x3 y1 y2 and y3. x1 is H, y1 is -6, h2 is 2, 3, -6 and K. G is G in bracket 1, 5 is a centroid of triangle ABC. Centroid of triangle ABC. Let co-ordinate of point C, point G or centroid B x, y. Centroid B x, y. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. Once you got that, you are going to use by centroid formula. What is the centroid formula? X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Therefore, x is nothing but 1. X is h plus 2 plus -6. See, h2n minus 6 upon 3. So 1 is equal to h plus 2 minus upon 3. So 1 into 3 is equal to h minus 4. So 3 plus 4 is equal to h. So h is equal to 7. H is equal to 7. And here y value of y is, say, it is 5. y1 is minus 6 plus y2 is 2. y2 is 3 and y3 is k upon 3. So 5 into 3 is equal to minus 6 plus 3 plus k. So 15 is equal to minus 3 plus k. So 15 plus 3 is equal to k. 18 is equal to, or k is equal to 18. Therefore, h is equal to 7 and k is equal to 18 is the answer. Put therefore sign properly. Cover down, it is very easy. When it is centroid, when you apply the centroid formula. So students, we are going to stop here for part 8. You copy down it properly. Okay. Thank you, students.